Imagine a young boy, at just 14 years of age, made the most difficult decision of his life. He decided to drop out of school, but not because of poverty, but he wanted to change stock market trading setup in India. It might definitely sound like the most silly and immature decision in first place. But this very decision made him a billionaire at a very young age of 37 and also changed the stock market trading in India. This decision was the turning point that transformed the life of Nikhil Kamath, a school dropout who went on to become the co-founder of India's largest stock brokerage firm, Zerodha. To know how he achieved his dream, stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Turning Point, as we explore Nikhil Kamath's incredible journey in this episode. Meet Nikhil Kamath, one of India's youngest billionaires, and the mastermind behind Zerodha, India's largest stock brokerage firm. But as mentioned in the introduction, this genius investor dropped out of school at the age of 14, was a chess prodigy, and even sold used phones, worked at call center, did trading, all of this before revolutionizing India's financial landscape. This is the untold story of a maverick who outsmarted the stock market. Nikhil's journey did not start with fancy degrees or elite business schools. It started in Bangalore, where chess became his first passion. As a national-level chess player, Nikhil learned how to strategize, read his opponent, and stay 10 steps ahead. His early part-time jobs taught him lessons that no classroom ever could. But soon, Nikhil's attention shifted to something bigger about the stock market. While working a 9-to-5 job, Nikhil spent hours trading on the side. At just 17, he entered the financial world, not with big capital, but with a sharp mind and a risk-taking attitude. Nikhil and his brother Nitin shared a vision. They knew that India's stock market needed a change. They were of the opinion that there has to be more transparency, lower fees, and access for everyone, not just the elite. Thus in 2010, Zerodha was born, a name that stands for zero and Rodha, a Sanskrit word meaning no barriers. With just 10 lakh rupees in savings and no outside funding, the Kamath brothers set out to disrupt the brokerage industry. Their idea was that there has to be no brokers and no middlemen. Just a platform where everyday Indians could invest without heavy fees eating into their profits. But it was not an easy ride. The financial world laughed at the idea of a discount broker. Of course, who would trust a company offering zero commission fees? But Nikhil did not just believe in Zerodha, he bet everything on it. From 2010 to 2023, Zerodha grew into India's largest stock brokerage firm, serving over 11 million users. A company that once seemed impossible became the face of India's stock market revolution, trading over $10 billion in transactions every single day. At 34, he became one of India's youngest billionaires. But here's the thing, Nikhil never stopped learning. From trading stocks to investing in real estate, to his latest venture in asset management, this man never misses a beat. His secret is his relentless efforts to gain knowledge, a hunger for taking risks, and showed India that success is not about where you come from, but how far you are willing to go. From chess boards to stock charts, from being school dropout to becoming a billionaire, Nikhil Kamath's journey is a proof that the bold will definitely win the game. For more untold stories of India's groundbreaking entrepreneurs, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Turning Point, and we'll see you in the next episode.